let's get the three values of our x. Welcome to JJ Online Math class. Now, first of all, we have that x to the power of 4 minus x minus 1 raised to the power of 4 is equal to 0. All right. Now, this can be written as x to the power of 2 squared, right? Minus, this can be written as x minus 1 squared, right? Is equal to 0. Yes, because according to the law of indices, a raised to the power of m raised to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times n. All right, so 2 times 2 will give us 4, and the same thing goes here. Now, we have difference of two squares, where a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Okay, so this is our a and this is our b. Let's go ahead and express this in that form. So this implies that x squared minus x minus 1 squared, right, multiplied by x squared plus x minus 1 squared is equal to 0. Perfect. Now, at this point, we have another algebra identity here, that a minus b squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so you are going to express this and this in that form. Now, if we do that, we will have x squared minus, in brackets, x squared minus 2x plus 1, all right, multiplied by x squared plus, this will be x squared is x squared, right, minus 1 squared is what, plus x, or minus 2ab, that is minus 2 times x times 1, that is minus 2x, then plus b squared, that is 1 squared, which is still 1, is equal to 0. Okay, now let's continue. Let's open this bracket. If we do, we will have x squared minus x squared minus, okay, minus is plus, plus 2x minus plus 1 is minus 1. Then for this side, we will have x squared plus x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now let us continue. So we have x squared minus x squared will give us 0. So what we have here is that 2x minus 1, okay, multiplied by, then here we have x squared plus x squared is 2x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, at this point, what we have here is that this is equal to 0 and this is also equal to 0. So that means we can write that 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, or 2x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So if we solve the left hand side, we have that 2x is equal to minus 1 we cross to become plus 1. So divided by 2 divided by 2. So we have that the first value of our x is half. Now here we have 2x squared minus 2x plus 1. Let's use the quadratic equation formula, otherwise known as the almighty formula, to get the value of x. So we have x here will be minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now our a is the coefficient of x squared, which is 2. Our b is the coefficient of x, which is minus 2. And our c is our constant, which is 1. Okay, so we are solving for this. Let's substitute these values into this place. So our x will be equal to minus b, that is minus 2, which is plus 2, plus or minus square root of b squared, that is minus 2 squared, which is 4, minus 4ac, 4 times 2 times 1, which is 8, divided by 2 times a, that is 2 times 2, which will give us 4. Okay, now this implies that x is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 8 will give you minus 4 divided by 4. So what we have here now is that our x is equal to 2 plus or minus this same thing as square root of 4 multiplied by square root of minus 1 divided by 4. Okay, so this implies that our x is equal to 2 plus or minus 2i, since square root of minus 1 is I, divided by 4. Now let's factorize 2 out. If we factorize 2 out, we will have that x is equal to 2 brackets 1 plus or minus I divided by 4. All right, now these two, we divide these two and we have that our x is equal to 1 plus or minus I divided by 2. All right, now let's go ahead and solve for the values of our x. To get the values of x then, so we have that x is equal to 1 plus or minus I divided by 2. So our x2 then should be 1 plus I divided by 2, and our x3 should be 1 minus I divided by 2. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and on your notification bell.